So I'm here at the top of the British Airways i360 in Brighton with Simon Lambert at a really interesting and exciting launch event. Simon, what are we seeing?
Yes, as you say, we're 455 feet or 456.5 feet. Is the height that we're building this 170R here today. Giving ourselves a bit of a challenge, trying to do it in the 6 hours that we've got with 4 of our guys. And as you see, they're making really good progress actually.
And I see we're 4 hours in at the moment. And are the guys on track?
4 hours to go. There's 4 hours to go. Are you on track, Alex? Yes. Yeah. Well, Alex is on track. Dan doesn't know. So that's let's call it 50-50. Yeah.
So can you just give us a very quick overview, please, of the 7170 that was recently introduced?
Well, the 7170 is the 160's replacement, as we know. A key element is missing from there, but it's on the floor here, which is the all-new Suzuki R06A engine, another 660cc turbocharged engine, 84 horsepower, which doesn't sound like a lot according to the internet, but they also tell me that the Earth's flat and I shouldn't have had the back seat, so I don't listen to that. The 170 is just the most amazing car to try. There's no two ways about it. I know 84 horsepower is only 84, and I used to own 420 up until the other day, but really and truly, if you've got an empty track on a 170, you will not have more fun than any other car. If you want to go forward drifting like fan tread, that's the one to do it in.
Thank you very much for your time.
No problem.